If you have a part that needs more than just traditional machining or sheet metal fabrication, and it needs hardware insertion, painting, plating, and maybe a light assembly, that is our specialty. We're a sheet metal fabricator and a traditional machining shop with lathes and mills, and we make complex components for OEMs. Hi, I'm Christine Baldwin and I work for APPI. We make complex components for OEMs. We casually go by APPI, but we are officially known as Aero Precision Products Incorporated. Well, a more complex component is a precision machined or sheet metal part that requires additional finish services, and we do it all in one location. We're a sheet metal fabricator and a traditional machining shop with lathes and mills. Our milling is both horizontal and vertical. Lathes that are 8-axis. We have small Swiss machine lathe. We also have a full sheet metal fabrication facility where we do all of our secondaries in-house: painting, plating, hardware insertions, silk screen, pad printing, anything under 2.5 feet. So if you need sheet metal combined with welding, painting, plating, silk screening, this is a great example of that type of part. We have parts such as this that are anodized and include hardware insertion. We also have Delrin plastics that we machine and lathe. We have wet and powder coated painting services that we provide for our sheet metal fabricated parts. And we also do a lot of components that are quite intricate that are primarily for the medical industry, for fluid controls and other applications. These small items are assemblies, essentially, and they include services such as painting, very micro machining, and may even include light assemblies and even things as technical as vacuum brazing. Sometimes we do more simple bending of various components and probes and needles. If there is true cost reduction that we know we can provide to you all, we will submit it for your approval. For example, we have integrated a hinge into this component, allowing it to go from 2 pieces to 1. And that was a big cost savings for this medical customer. You may also need a lot of regulation, whether it's ITAR, NADCAP, AS 9100, or just an understanding that we are aware of all the necessary DFARS and CFARS, and now IT security that needs to be in place for your components. Well, if you need a very complex component made that requires additional services all in one location with the high quality standards that we can provide since 1966.